Oh dear. Oh dearie me. My heart sank when my local Every courier, Si, just delivered this to me in a single-walled, well, it's not even a box, it's some single-walled cardboard. This is a Philips. I think it's a fairly rare machine. I've never handled one myself. I didn't have much to do with Philips cleaners growing up. They weren't as widely available as Electrolux and Hoover and even Goblin. But I do remember Philips cleaners. I just never had one. I saw this on eBay from a rather dubious seller I'm sure I've bought from before, who sells a lot of vacuum cleaner bits that have just been salvaged off broken machines. This is a whole machine. Well, it was a whole machine when it was pictured on eBay. Whether it's still a whole machine now, well, we'll have to find out when I open it. Not only, oh my lorks are lordy, this is a Panasonic upright vacuum cleaner. It's not even what I ordered. Oh, for goodness sake. How on earth can you mistake a Philips cylinder vacuum for a Panasonic? I'm going to open it because, well, we'll see what happens when I contact the seller. I'm assuming it's from the seller I was expecting the Philips from. How on earth could anyone be so stupid? Oh, dearie me. You know, it's an MCE44. Absolutely filthy. It's broken here. Yeah, been dragged out of a pond. Oh, it's broken anyway, look. It's smashed anyway. There we go. A pile of smashed Panasonic. I mean, yeah, the back door doesn't close. Oh, for goodness sake, is it worth it, folks? eBay sellers are getting worse. I mean, I really wanted the cleaner I bought, the Philips P99, because I'm sure, I'll have to look at my address label, I'm sure I've got another box delivered by the same courier, just with this one. I think that's a green Hooverette. Oh crikey, I'm going to open the other one. I don't think that's going to be the Philips. It's light enough. Yeah, I don't think this is going to be the Philips one. I think this will be the Hooverette. And yes, I'm only expecting a Hooverette and the Philips. Yeah. It's a smoked. Is it smoked green and Swedish pine, or smoked pine and Swedish green? Swedish green and smoked pine. I think that's the colour. Right, I'll do that in another video. Looks all right so far. So, I can definitely say, how on earth, it is the same colour as the Philips, but that's where the similarity ends. I'll take a photo of this. There's no point in them having this back. I'll just see if I can get my money back and just, I don't really want this. I might be able to take some parts off it, but I'll just quickly turn it on, shall I? Oh, it's filthy. Look at it. Oh dearie me. Well, the brush roll looks in reasonable condition. Really? Oh dear. Oh. It's got the, I think this is the, is this the extension hose? I don't know if that's a rare piece, even if it is. Is it the extension hose for this? It's all smashed at the bottom anyway, look. All smashed here. Which could be this part. I don't know if this is the extent. Oh, it's just done a dirty on my carpet. It's a good job I got my Bissell big green clean machine out. Yeah, well that does fit on there. I'm just going to quickly turn it on. Might as well, folks. Is it right? It's on. Is it even going to switch on? Here goes. Well, it doesn't sound bad, but I don't want this. I don't want it. And yeah, that doesn't... Oh, it does. Well, at least that does. Had it not been broken, I think this would have cleaned up quite well. But this is not what I ordered. Has it got the small tools, I wonder? It's even got the small tools, look. But it's broken. So I think that's going to end the video. No, I won't end it completely yet. I'll see. I might add on the end. Oh, it's made a right mess. I'll add on to the end of the video what's happened when I've contacted the seller and say, can you explain this? Right, so I'll be back shortly. I've just sent this message to the seller and I think I've been more polite than I should have been, but anyway. Hello, I have just received the vacuum cleaner I purchased from you, although it wasn't the model I bought. Instead of the Philips cylinder vacuum, you have sent me a filthy, damaged Panasonic upright. I would like to return the incorrect item and hopefully you will be able to send me the cleaner I ordered if you still have it. Thank you. I'm going to name and shame. Probably won't come as a surprise to some of you because I think this seller's a little bit infamous. The eBay seller's name is SM2664. As I said, if the base wasn't broken, this probably would have cleaned up okay. I could have made something of this. But obviously I don't want it because this is not what I won on eBay. I won that Philips cylinder. These are 10 a penny. That Philips cylinder is pretty rare. I bet somebody else has got it. Whoever's ordered this has possibly got the Philips cylinder. Well, they've got the better machine, I think. But judging by the way they package things, I won't be surprised if I do. I don't hold that much hope for getting the Philips, to be honest now. But if I do, and they send it in the same sort of packaging they sent this in, I don't know. I'm going to try. I'll have to, if they want it back, I'm just going to try and wrap it back up in that same packaging and then it'll be even more broken when they get it. Anyway, never mind. These things happen. They happen more frequently with me. But eBay is getting worse. What do you think? Comment below, folks. Have you had bad experiences of eBay? Let's hear all your horror stories. I mean, I do buy a lot of stuff from eBay, and on the whole, you know, fingers crossed, touch wood, etc. On the whole, I'm happy with what I get. But you do get a few, I want to say a rude word, but I won't, a few unscrupulous or downright stupid sellers that can't even send me the right thing. So from this filthy Panasonic, it's goodbye. Never mind, you can't win them all. This is a second in a row. Well, not quite in a row, because I have opened something from eBay and it was okay. Well, okay, you might have seen the video by now. It's a monstrosity of a vacuum, but at least it was the vacuum as described, and not completely the wrong filthy vacuum cleaner. I'm going to have a wash. But never mind, these things are sent to triers. And whatever happens, if they want this broken thing back, they can have it back. I'm going to put it back in the packaging they sent me it. Just put some more tape round and it'll probably be in even more pieces by the time they receive it. As long as I get my money back, full refund of the purchase price and the shipping cost, that's all that matters. But I would have liked to have shown you that Philips cleaner, but never mind. Who knows? Things might turn out okay, but I haven't got high hopes about the outcome of this. I think the best I can expect is a refund. But still, never mind. See you all very soon. If you've had a bad experience with eBay, comment below. Let's hear all your eBay horror stories. Try and make me feel a bit better about the eBay horror stories that I have and have to show you on my channel. Well, folks, thank you for staying till the end of the video, and for you people with the gusto and the willpower to actually watch one of my videos in full, here's a little snippet for you at the end. I did return that Panasonic. The seller wanted it back. I put a request for return to eBay. I was sent a returns label. So I put it back in the same box, put extra tape round, put the label on, took it to the post office. It was returned, and to be fair, I was refunded pretty quickly, but the seller ignored me. I just asked the seller, you know, you've sent the wrong one, can you send me the correct one? But I got no response whatsoever from the seller. I just got the returns label after I put a request in. So a couple of weeks passed, and what should come up on eBay again but the very same Philips P99 that I should have got in the first place. And I'm hoping, both fingers crossed, that inside this box will be the Philips P99 that I won. If it is, I've done pretty well, because I got this for less than I originally paid for it. So we'll have to see. Is it going to be a Philips P99? Is it going to be broken? I'm not sure. You'll have to tune in for the Philips P99 unboxing and first look video, which will be coming up on my channel at some point. So thanks for watching. Hopefully all's well that ends well, but you never know. There may be another ranty video coming up soon on iBasic. So until then, thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye for now.